Hi, sixth graders. It's Miss Christensen here, welcoming you for sixth grade science team. We have been working diligently to get together some resources for you to learn online, and I am here to teach you how to access those files. So let's get started. Welcome to online learning. Here's what the structure of learning will look like. We will be sending home emails each week to let you know what your assignments are. All assignments can be accessed on schoology.washk12.org. Students, when you log into this, your login information is the same information you use to sign into the Chromebooks at school. You've done this before, and I know that you can do it. There will be resources available on Schoology weekly, and I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So in Schoology, when you go to your class period, you will see a screen similar to this if your teacher has it set up the same as mine. This week, we are asking that you complete any unfinished work. So, you know you have it completed if you see, like on this weather folder, I have a green check mark showing I've done all my work. In my ecosystems folder, though, I have work that needs to be completed. That's why it's gray and says must complete. So first thing you need to do this week is go into any folders that do not have a green check mark and complete any unfinished work. Remember, you have to score these amounts to be able to get that check mark to say you've completed your assignment. After you have all of your assignments completed, you need to work in your textbook. At the end of the week, hold on, let me back up. So we have this at-home learning folder. This is what you will use to check in weekly to access any new assignments. So your assignment this week was to work in Chapter 4 and also to do your ecosystems interaction links. You will see we have resources available to you. I have all of the weeks available right now. But we'll be limiting this answer key in just after this video is complete. In this folder, you have a digital copy of your textbook that you can use just in case you didn't make it to the school to complete to get your textbook. When you are done with your Chapter 4 work, then you have week 1's assignment. These assignments will be due on Fridays. We will be checking to see who's completing them Fridays. So you'll click into here and it has a short answer question. So I don't have this enabled right now, so you can't see the question. But it will just be a quick little summary. You'll type in an answer, and that lets us know that you've completed your work. This is not going to give you a score, so don't look for a score right now. It's just submitting that you've completed your Chapter 4 work and a little summary about it. Another thing we're asking for you to complete this week and next week is ecosystem interaction links. Once you have completed your ecosystem interaction links all the way, then you can go to this week 2 and complete that little reflection as well. Answer keys will become available every Monday so that you can do a self-correct of your work. So after our first week and a half, we will post this answer key where you can click on and look at your answers and check yourself and make sure that you have everything figured out. So, that being said, if you have questions, email your teacher and ask them for, oh, that's not the one I want. That's not the one I want. Here we go. If you have questions, feel free to email your teachers They will have answers for you, or they will find answers for you. We will respond as quickly as we can to help you answer questions that you might have. So be safe. Have a fun time learning from home. And we're in this crazy time together. So good luck to all of you. Be excellent, as Mr. Howe would say.